Safety first, my new baby. So, the PlayStation 5 Pro has finally arrived. This is the Sony's mid-cycle upgrade for the hardcore gamer, and I managed to get my hands on one right at launch. I got the PS5 Pro for around 600 Australian dollars after trading in my old PS5 and 4 random games with my EB Games membership and an extra 5% discount. Now let's get closer to look at it and do this unboxing properly. But heads up, the PS5 Pro doesn't include a disk drive or vertical stand, and Australia does not have any of them in stock on its launch day yet. They'll be available in about 2 weeks. On the back of the box, here we have the highlights of the features: PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution, optimized console performance, and advanced ray tracing. I like this one. That means the games will look more lifelike. At the top, it is a power cable, and here is a USB-C to USB-C cable for versatile charging and data transfer options. Also an HDMI 2.1 cable for seamless connectivity to your display. These little transparent plastic A shaped things. I don't know what they are, but we'll find out later. And here's the standard controller. It feels good, nice and simple. This should be the latest version of the DualSense controller, but since I've already got the DualSense Edge, this one will likely stay in brand new conditions until I trade it in for the PS6. Finally, the console itself. I'll admit, it doesn't give the same wow factor you'd expect from a tech product unboxing, but there's something satisfying about its clean, refined design. Unboxing is done. This is the PS5 Pro, and here are the manual books. Okay, these transparent little stuffs are to keep your PS5 Pro in a horizontal position, and you can have a bit of airflow underneath. I think it looks stable when it comes to the vertical position without a vertical stand attached to it. My first impression is that this console feels lighter than the PlayStation 5. On the front, it has 2 USB-C ports and a power button, and the back features an HDMI port, a LAN port, and 2 additional USB ports. Let's power it up! Do you need to upgrade if you already have a PS5? Probably not. Most players won't notice a big difference, and if you have physical games, it's not worth it since the PS5 Pro lacks a disk drive, though you can buy one separately, but it often sells out. If you're happy with your games where they're at, you'll probably continue to be happy for the rest of this console generation. But if you're planning to chase the best visual quality, like me, go for it. So I'm going to download games and test them. Stay tuned for the reviews. I'm Elly. See you next time.